In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert PDF in Excel. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Excel on your device or Google Sheets. Now open the file where you want to insert a PDF. Then here, go ahead and head over to the cell where you want to insert the PDF. Now click on the insert button. In here, as you can see, you can insert a file under Smartsheets, but the files that you can insert here are the files that you have under Google Docs and Google Sheets. Now to insert a PDF, go ahead and right click and click on the insert link button. Make sure that you've uploaded your PDF file on Google Drive to be able to simply insert the link here in Google Sheets. So head over to Google Drive. Now click on this More Actions button. Click on Share. Now select Copy Link under the Share button. Now head back to the Google Sheets page and paste the link in this area. Now click on the Apply button, and that's how you insert PDF in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.